So, yet another day 7, yet another splint removal. We hope to have yet another satisfied, happy patient, and yet another patient from another Indian metro. So I took that off. We're going to clean a little bit. First up, you can see the before and after. You can see already how improved the nose is. So he had a very, very broad and flat nose. I'm going to come to that in a while. Let me just take care of this basic cleaning just a little bit. Okay, just look down, please. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Right, now this is not swelling well, okay. Okay, right. So now we will show you how this nose looked. Pretty straight. Where did it go? Look straight. So look at that. He had a very, very shallow dorsum, very huge bulbous nose, very thick nasal skin. Absolutely challenging type of a Dravidian nose, as I like to call it, or a South Indian nose or a South Asian nose, but very typically Dravidian, even like the one I have. So that's the kind of nose he had. And you can see now the side view. Look at that side. Yeah, a little bit. So it was way too broad, way too wide, way too bulbous with way too thick skin. All of that has been addressed. He's not having the pointiest of noses around. He's having a nose that suits his face. Look at that now. I'll say, thoda aur dusra dekhiye please. Ha, thoda. Abhi isme you can really appreciate how huge the nose was, while now it's much in proportion. हाँ, सीधा देखिए प्लीज, ये साइड, अभी ये साइड देखो, मेरे साइड, अभी देखो आप मेरे में, लेकिन ये साइड देखना आपको थोड़ा, मेरे साइड देखो, ऐसा देखो, राइट। तो आप देखिए मिरर में, ये तो है बल्बस पूरा शेपिंग किया है, ठीक है ना। तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, जैसे कि बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हो चुका है, लेकिन ये जो टिप है ये एकदम शार्प नहीं हो पाएगा, बिकॉज आपका स्किन 1 सेंटीमीटर थिक है, ठीक है ना। फिर भी यहाँ पे हमने काम किया है, यहाँ पे काम किया है, बेस पे काम किया है, टिप पे काम किया है, ओवरऑल नोज को प्रोपोर्शन वाइज इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है, ठीक है ना। दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन सी, all the sides and everything. And you showed me your brother's photo or somebody's photo. आपने बताया मुझे. Whose photo was that? You said I want to know something like that.
Yeah.
Whose photo was that? Brother's photo. So I told you 80-90% we can try and get. Right? Now you see, what do you think? After some more time, pakka.
Thank you.
Yeah? You're very happy with the nose, or just little happy with the nose? Or not happy with the nose?
Happy with it.
You're happy with the nose? Okay. I'm sorry I didn't do the scar revision for you because of want of time, because of the current pandemic and my health and everything. Otherwise I would have done it. And you're leaving tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow morning actually.
No problem. That we'll do later, because today, just now we got.
No problem. We will do it.
Yeah, that you don't worry. These sutures we will remove now. And the rib that we took, you have any pain?
Not yet too much, but little
Once
pain
in a
is
while,
there.
pain is
Little
there.
pain is there.
And
At
when
the
you,
time of walking.
at the time of walking, okay. When you are bending and lifting,
Just little.
little pain is there. It will settle down. The reason why there is little pain is because अभी हम we are not giving you medications for that. Stop कर दिया 6 days के बाद. तो it will be there for a few more days. 1-2 हफ्ते के बाद दर्द नहीं रहेगा आपको बिल्कुल. ठीक है ना? और कोई डाउट है? आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स को? आप कहाँ से आए बताइए?
Actually, I came from Pune.
अच्छा, पुणे। ओके,
So,
so you can tell in Hindi or Marathi. Hindi is good.
actually, it has been good. And thanks, doctor. Thanks.
You're welcome. Take care. या बिकॉज आई डिड, आपको याद रहेगा मैंने बताया था आपको कंसल्टेशन टाइम में आपका काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग नोज है।
Yes.
तो चैलेंजिंग नोज जब ज़्यादा होता है ना, हमको कभी कभार 100% रिजल्ट नहीं मिल सकते, बट 80-90% रिजल्ट मिलेगा और इम्प्रूवमेंट बहुत रहेगा। परफेक्ट नोज है ही नहीं दुनिया में कुछ,
नहीं.
बस नोज को सूट होना है फेस में। कोई जब आपका फेस देखे ना, ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए इसका नाक में कुछ है प्रॉब्लम, ऐसा नहीं दिखना चाहिए बस क्योंकि आप मॉडल नहीं हो, आपको भी और काम है, मुझे भी मेरा और काम है।
बराबर.
हाँ, तो ऐसा होना चाहिए, उसके लिए एकदम बढ़िया रहेगा आपका नाक। और आपका लेफ्ट आई में थोड़ा रेड कलर है, वो 2-3 हफ्ता रहेगा, उसके बाद निकल जाएगा, वो भी बताएंगे वो आपकी जो सब करने के नोसिस। ठीक है, सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, और आई एम हैप्पी दैट patient is happy. It's my real, what can I tell you? It's my real desire that our patients are very happy at the end of the procedure. I try my best to do that, and in most of the cases, in maximum percentage, patients are very happy. The amount of the satisfaction, however, varies because human beings as such, we have different expectations, and for some of them, it's like a 10-year plan to get a nose done, or it's a lifelong ambition to get a facial cosmetic surgery done, or it's been their dream forever to get that changes done on their faces. So I do understand what they go through, and also I do understand that it's an Indian culture, so we're not very happy about when we see something, but a lot of these patients, he did say, is very happy, message me later on saying like डॉक्टर साहब हम बहुत खुश हैं, बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है। हाँ, थोड़े बहुत पेशेंट ये भी बोल देते कि डॉक्टर साहब हमको और भी अच्छा रिजल्ट चाहिए था, बट क्या करें ना, तो खुदा नहीं है, जितना होता है हाथों से, जितना होता है एक्सपीरियंस से, जितना हो सकता है, जितने पेशेंट्स चाहते हैं और जितने हमारे से हो सकता है, सब पेशेंट्स को देने के लिए मैक्सिमम ट्राई करते रहेंगे, करते रहते हैं, राइट? बाय बाय, थैंक यू।